Alright, how are we, lovely people? Yes, I am doing another car vlog. Just reversing out here. I should make this into a series. I'm thinking drives with Jack. Be a stellar opportunity. But yes, we've just come back from gym, and yes, we're gonna go for a quick drive to Macca's again. Don't worry, just getting a sugar-free drink, so don't stress. But I thought I'd come to you with another video today. This one, obviously on the topic of Amazon again, is going to be about, because I get asked a lot why I want to do Amazon, and I'm going to tell you a bit of a story, and I'm going to get you guys interested into why I want to start selling on Amazon, and why it's a good opportunity for you to start as well. Hang on, I'm just going to order my drink.
What can I do today?
Hey, can I just grab one regular Coke, no sugar?
Yeah.
Please, just with extra ice. And what frozen drinks do you have?
Coke, raspberry and orange.
Can I just get just a regular frozen Coke as well, please?
Yeah, is there anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
Yep, it's $3.95 now, mate. You want to drive through?
Thanks. So yeah, I'll give you a bit of an insight as to why I've already started Amazon and why I want to grow it into a profitable business. So, I think they gave me a large frozen Coke. Oh, win! Okay, so we'll get right into it. Now, why do I want to start an Amazon business? Now, I have been asked this question a fair bit already, even though I've only just started, like a month or two ago, documenting my Amazon stuff, because it is interesting, and it's an interesting concept as to, how someone can, make the amount of money that they're making, that a lot of these guys are making, even as little as $4,000 to $5,000 a month, profit. That's the same as what someone makes from their regular job, and it's interesting, to know how they do that. But I've been asked a few questions, not only how to do it, but why I'm doing it, and I'll give you a bit of an insight and scenario as to why I've started doing Amazon. So basically, to break it down, if you're like me, you've had, I've worked in retail, for most of my life. Obviously, from when I started working, I'm only 22 years old, but from when I started working, being in retail, and it has taught me a lot of valuable things, working in retail. And I've gained all this experience from working there, and I've learned a lot of new things, but what I have realized is, even in my younger years, I've always sort of been leaning towards the whole entrepreneurship side of things, and it's the things about entrepreneurship and making money on your own, which is what's been attracted to me, and that's why I've liked it. And to give you a bit of a scenario, a few months back, I was cleaning out my room, and this was already after I started my first product on Amazon, and I was cleaning out my room, and I found a lot of stuff. Like me and my girlfriend were cleaning it out, and we found a lot of stuff that I just wasn't using anymore. It was a lot of old gaming stuff, because I'm into gaming and that. And we're looking at it, and we're like, why don't we just make a pile of all the stuff that I don't need, and we can sell it. So we're like, all right. So we had a few old consoles, old games, some headsets and things like that, and we just put up pretty low prices, because we just wanted to get rid of it. And we had it all up, about probably 10 to 20 different call them products because I'm used to it, but 10 to 20 different items that we put up, and we put it on our local Facebook page, on our local sellers page. And literally within about, I'd say like an hour or two, like an hour to 3 hours, that same night, we sold half of it, and we sold the rest earlier that next morning. But all up, what we sold, we did make good profit out of it, and all up in about 2 days I ended up making just over $1,000. And that just, blew my mind, like it was more than what I was making at my current job. So I just sat back. It made me sit back and think, what, if I can, like, it was a lot of fun for me, just talking to different people. My girlfriend helped out a lot, doing up the description and that for the products, or for the items that we were selling. But it was so much fun. And not only that, I ended up making more than what I did at my current job. I made like almost double that, in 2 days, and what I usually would in a week. And I just sat back and I thought, this is so much fun, and I was able to do it, on my own. It can sound a bit stubborn when it comes to this, but I love the idea of working for yourself. And I think it's just because, for me, it's because I love having that pressure of, it's all my fault, and love having the pressure of, if this doesn't work out, I can't blame anyone else. It's all my fault. If this doesn't work out, I have no one else to blame. Not only that, I love the upside of it, where if you make something out of it, you just think, I did that, and not only that is, I'm just one of those people that I guess is drawn to entrepreneurship, which, if you're watching this, maybe a lot of you are, and maybe you're trying to look to get out of your current situation. But, if you're like me, you're just drawn to that, and you just love the idea of working for yourself. So I had a look back, and that was just before, my Amazon started doing well also. And to give you a bit of an insight as well, after that, a couple of months after, that was when my Amazon started doing really well. So you've probably seen my videos on that as well. But after that, with my Amazon, if you see my other videos, I ended up making about 3,000. It was about 3,000 profit for a whole month, and I'm going to reinvest that into my next product, which I'll be talking about later on. But especially after that, especially after making $3,000 in profit for the month, it's nothing spectacular, but for some people that's a lot, and for some people that's even enough to live on each month. And obviously my goal is to start anywhere from 5,000 profit per month to 10,000. I want to hit that, hopefully. I said by June, but hopefully I want to do it by April. If I can do that, and I can have a steady stream of income, and I can be financially free, then I can help other people do that. And that's the whole goal. And just the whole idea of being financially free, not having to work under someone. I'll give you a scenario. So if you get up in the morning and you are just not so much devastated, some people might be devastated, but if you're just dreading, going to work every single day, and you just don't want to be there, what's that going to do long term? That's going to lead to you becoming, unmotivated. It's going to lead to you not wanting to go to work. It's going to lead to you, even going as far as giving up on, your far-reached, hopes and dreams that you want to reach. And the one big reason that I want to start the Amazon business is to get away from that. And if I can become financially, independent on myself and financially free from a regular job, and I can work from home, or I can work from anywhere in the world doing Amazon, then that doesn't only give me a steady stream of income from home, or, from anywhere. As long as you've got a laptop, you can make that. That doesn't only allow me to do that, it also allows me to go into other avenues, and just opens up a whole range of opportunity. So just imagine that scenario, waking up every morning. I know a lot of you might be in that situation, and I've gotten to that point with my jobs, any job that I've been in, and you just get to the point where you just don't want to do it anymore. Now, flip that around and just imagine waking up in the morning. You can wake up, if you're a morning person, you can wake up early in the morning. You can do your work in the morning on your laptop, anywhere you are. You can do your work in the morning, and then in the afternoon you can rest. Or if you're an afternoon person, you can have a nice sleep in, you get up, you do your work in the afternoon, and that's it. Have the rest of the night off. Now imagine doing that every single day. Imagine not having to get up, not having to worry about, being at work on a certain time, you know, if you're in sales, you know, reaching certain sales targets, and, you know, having your managers and your bosses come down on you. Not that that's a bad thing, but if you're someone like me, you know, you want to be dependent on yourself. And, you know, some people work better being, you know, having other people, you know, being dependent on other people. But I work better being dependent on myself. So just imagine, you know, waking up and having the ability to make the same income that you would from a regular job, but you're working less hours, you're being more productive because you have more time to do the things that you want to do, and you're financially free. You know, that is the dream, and that's what I'm working towards. And like I said, I've got a new product that I'm purchasing very, very soon, hopefully within this week, but that's the goal. And once I get to that caliber, you know, I want to start helping anyone else who wants to start learning how to sell on Amazon, how to do that, and how to become financially independent, financially free, and just break away and live the lifestyle that you actually want to live. If I can help people do that, then that's my goal already done. I'm obviously going to set higher goals, but that's what I want to do. I just want to help as many people as I can get to that point. And the only way I'm going to do that is by documenting how I do it, and, you know, once I get there, helping other people do that. So just wanted to go on a bit of a rant today about, you know, why I'm personally doing Amazon and why you should do it too if you're looking to break away from your current, you know, situation. I'm telling you, like, this is 100% true. Amazon, selling on Amazon, making a brand out of Amazon, if you want to do it as your main source of income, or if you want to do it just to help yourself break away from the 9 to 5, or, you know, from your current job, Amazon is 100% a legitimate way to do it. And it's not by scamming, it's not by, you know, doing anything, you know, that's illegal or anything like that. It's honestly, it is a fairly, like, it's just a fair and true way to make a passive income. And, you know, you can make it by selling online. And the whole reason I'm going for the online aspect is, you know, to have that financial freedom, you know. And I am personally excited because I know I can get there. Definitely, I am aiming towards the middle of the year, be financially independent for myself. But by the end of the year, I want to be helping people get to, you know, hopefully where I am at that point, and help them out. So that's my whole reason for doing Amazon. It's just to be financially independent. If you do want to learn more, let me know. I'm happy to post videos up on, you know, on my YouTube channel on how to do different things on Amazon, you know, how to sell, how to source products, things like that. Because I have learned, I've already got a product up, and like I said, from that I made $3,000 profit in a month. But I would love to teach you guys how to do it as well if you're interested. And if you like, because I've been posting on my Instagram as well, I want to make a Facebook page too on how to or just make a Facebook page about Amazon selling. And I'll probably call it something like Amazon Selling Mates or something like that, just so they know that it's an Australian one as well. But I definitely want to help people do that too, you know. But if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. I'll leave my link to my Instagram at least in the description, so you can check me out there as well. But yeah, if you have any other questions, just let me know. The best way to do it is just to comment on the video below. But I hope you guys are having a great New Year's. Now it's here in Australia, it's the 3rd already, so I know this year's going to move quick already, and that's why I want to get on top of it now in the first quarter, get on top of Amazon, so I can start, you know, becoming financially independent through selling on Amazon online. But apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it even gave you a bit of inspiration, because I know that, you know, coming into these next few months, there's going to be some big things happening. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, guys.